Hello and welcome to Social Events TV. Here today we are going to bring to you the preparation for a marriage ceremony, as in the cooking preparation aspect of a marriage ceremony in Delta State, Nigeria. As you can see, the women are putting things together, putting their hands together to prepare for a wonderful marriage that's about to take place between Favor. Yeah, you can hear she said they are preparing for marriage. So this marriage is going to take place here in Agbor, Delta State, and it's between Favor and Simeon. Favor and Simeon 2025. Yeah, this is the compound of the bride. They're trying to put things together. You can see the guys cleaning chairs, sweeping the compound to make sure the environment is clean so that the guests can have a good time in their compound. So you can see we are in the kitchen right now. You see women are trying to put their resources together, trying to prepare food. Yeah, you can see Akpu. Akpu is a fermented cassava that has been processed for consumption. Yeah, it can be used to eat soup. With soup, you can use with soup. Look at coolers that are being set so that if the food is ready, they will put it there to make the food warm, so that the bride and the groom will have a good time, including the families of the family of the bride and the groom. So you can see the women getting set to make sure that everything is okay. Yeah, this is Agbor, Delta State, Nigeria. Friends meeting each other for the first time for a long time now. They're trying to exchange pleasantries. You know now, women and food and cook. They like cooking. They like taking care of people. That is who they are. And to add to this, I believe Agbor people are very hospitable, as in they like taking care of visitors and strangers, making sure that they are okay. Can see, trying to bring down the food from, bring down the apple from the fire, and they're putting it in. They will put it in the pounding machine, and after that, after the pounding machine might have done with the process of mixing it very well, they put it on a bowl and wrap it on a nylon. You wrap some quantities on a nylon so that they will present it well to their guests. See the women preparing meats for steaming. The marriage is a very good thing when two people fall in love, like they said, they come together to be one, and they have to undergo some processes to make them officially married. I think that's the best thing to do. Yeah, this is the containers or the rubbers that they use to ferment the cassava for the Akpu. This is the father of the bride trying to supervise what's going on. Yeah, they're preparing yam. They're going to use this yam to make a pounded yam, to make pounded yam. Pounded yam is also another delicious food that we use to eat egusi soup, okra, ofolu. For the Igbos. There's one leaf they will use here in Agbor to cook ujuju. Do you know that? Ujuju. It's called ujuju. Have you ever eaten ujuju soup before? Let us know in the comment section. There was a video I posted. I posted this grinding machine, this yam pounder, the pounder. They call it yam pounder, the Akpu pounder, because it can pound any of it, be it Akpu or yeah. You can see they are seriously cooking. The soup is almost ready now. Yeah, they're pouring the mix in the soup. Very soon the soup will be ready. So right now they're trying to on the grinding or the yam pounder. Yes, formerly what they use is mortar and the handle to put the Akpu in the mortar and pound it. But with this machine now, it makes it easy. In those days, they used that mortar before the food be mixed properly. It will take a long time. After the ladies and the men will put a lot of strength to pound the Akpu or pounded yam. But today, with this machine, it's very easy. In 2 minutes, they are done. So that's how they do it here. You can see the soup is ready now. Very soon, the food will be ready. So this process or this place that they are preparing for this food, these women, they don't joke with it. You must cover them. They want to see themselves when they were preparing this food. Most times if you come late and you did not cover this place, they will be very mad at you. They might not even give you the food that day. So as a cameraman here in the car, we are always ready and we always go on time to make sure we cover this aspect of the marriage or any event. You can see the guests are here, the bride and the groom. They will soon proceed into the living room to continue the process of the wedding ceremony, the traditional wedding ceremony proper. So I'll be dropping the video of the traditional marriage rites being paid. That's the bride trying to